My people, I greet una o. How go they go? Today we're going to talk about the people when they use accounting Tori. Many kind of people there when they carry accounting Tori for head like say now we boss. I'm going to tell you the 6 kind of people when they use account. sorry. This cough center. I'm going to tell you now the 6 kind of people when they use accounting Tori. The first kind of people are the people who carry their hard-earned money they give company say they use them do their business, and company will come pay back their money with something on top. This group of people na what they call investors. Wetin this kind of people go take dey use accounting Tori do? Na the question where you go dey ask yourself. These people go wan dey monitor how the business take dey use their money take do their business. They go wan dey see whether the business dey make gain on top the business wey they dey run. They go wan dey compare the money wey this so-called company dey make with other company wey dey run the same kind business. They go wan sabi whether the company dey grow big. They go wan sabi the kind people wey dey run the company, whether na people wey get head. All this story dem na wetin concern these people. Some of the kind story wey this kind people dey use na story wey go show the profit wey the company dey make. Na this story oyinbo dey call income statement. Another kind story wey dey na the one wey dey show the assets and the gbese wey the business get, even the money wey dem dey use run the company. Oyinbo dey call this one statement of financial position. As we don talk dem investors finish, the next kind people na government. I wan say Buhari dem. This kind people dey collect one thing wey dem dey call tax from companies. As e be say agbero dey tax bus conductors based on top the money wey dem dey make, na so government dey take tax business. Government go wan know how much the business dey make. They go wan sabi the size of the company. Na on top these things na im dey go need things like income statement and statement of financial position. The next kind people na the workers of the company. Na dem be the employees of the company. Mama Iyabo wey get big restaurant and plenty workers, the workers dem go need sabi if Mama Iyabo dey make money na profit. They go wan sabi if Mama Iyabo dey see money on a steady basis. Oyinbo go talk say, is Mama Iyabo liquid enough? So wetin the employees of the company go dey find for their accounting story na things like income statement, cash flow statement, statement of financial position. Make una no fear all these big names, I go handle them for other lessons. Another kind set of people wey their work na to study all these many story dem come dey understand them and come dey advise people about the company wey get the story dem. They go dey advise people whether the company na good place to go dey invest or whether na good place to take join. All these kind things. This kind of people na dem dey call financial analysts or advisors. This kind of people dey use financial information like income statement, cash flow, statement of financial position. People wey dey supply the business materials, wey the business dey take do their own business. Sometimes they supply this business on credit. As e be say na credit, na big risk dem dey take. Based on say the company fit no pay them for the time wey dem go like make the company dey pay them. This kind of people go wan dey monitor the company, and the kind things wey dem go dey use monitor the company na their financial information, where dem go fit dey know if the company dey gallant enough to fit dey pay the money wey dem dey owe them. This kind of people wey dem dey call suppliers. Last kind set of people wey dey use accounting information na customers. Customers are the people wey dey buy the goods or the services wey the company dey give. This kind of people like you and me go wan sabi if the company go fit dey satisfy our needs na. Dem go dey wan know if the company go fit dey deliver when they need am. Na im make dem go dey look financial information like profit and loss, statement of financial position. All these people wey I mention na users of financial information. As you don see am, say somehow me and you na user of financial information. I hope say the information don help una sabi who dem the users of accounting story be. Make una try follow us for our handle for Twitter, studyinpidgin. Make una subscribe to our YouTube video, studyinpidgin. And make una follow us for our Facebook page for more interesting and educative videos.